Bro, this I don't know where we're gonna go. Of course I remember, girl.
Welcome to Vermont.
Vermont, Maryland.
I need to. I love you, Rachel.
Love you, Tessie. We'll hike up this thing. I'm gonna fall. Yeah, we hiked a little bit here. You can see there's this pretty spot right here.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get up to the top of this falls. We want to find a swimming hole. We're not really sure, but we're gonna find it, and we're gonna go to this lake with a beach too. So, peace.
Oh, they're supposed to say sorry.
Got the GoPro.
Are you going barefoot?
Oh, that's nice. Yo. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Guys, I stole the GoPro, but look at this. It's so nice. And get my main character moment, like, woo!
It feels nice.
It does. It feels so nice.
I know. This was worth it. This is worth it. We should chill out here for a while, bro.
Hey! That's like put in mine.
Yeah. We did it, you guys.
Yes, we did. I'm gonna touch the water.
Let's go. Gotta get it, y'all.
Hey!
Y'all, this is fun. Ready? Should I go underwater?
Sure. We'll know what you'll see.
No, you can't see anything. There's so many rocks.
That's scary, but like, I've seen people in this Instagram spot though.
Really? Yeah. Bro, I know I look. Guys, I have a braid in my hair. I don't know if you can tell, but.
Hey! More therapy I need.
I know. This is what you see in all your Instagram reels. Cause y'all. Oh yeah, I want to see it. There's like a little seat there. Do you see that? I want to like jump off, but it does not look deep enough.
Oh, that one's gonna go with this ground.
Nice.
Yeah. It does have a big I'm talking about in it.
I'm talking about in it.
About in it.
This is what I talk about. This is what I meant when I talked about the summer, y'all.
Yay!
And there's nobody.
2025!
Hey, 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 hey.
Guys, we're here. We made it to the waterfall, and I almost fell in a rock. But look, we got the water here. I touched the boat. But seriously, it's so nice. Just like,
Are you good?
summer 2025. I could not get my phone wet. Touch it. Touch it. Hey, yeah, yo. Hey, ready? I'm gonna see if I can get blasted by this thing.
Okay, let's go.
Good.
What's up, guys? So we finished the hike. I think it was about 2 miles. And we went to the swimming hole and stuff. And now we're gonna go to like the beach area.
Yeah,
It's over there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at this little beach lake. Oh, it's so warm. Girl, at least it's like. Oh, girl, it's getting like algae and stuff. You guys, there's like algae at the bottom.
Oh, hell no.
but oh girl, it is a log. Do you want to go shower?
It's literally like summer, like going off of Ram's Sidequest.
So we guys, we found this little trail here. We're hoping it leads to like some rocks we can jump off into the lake with. So yeah. Alright, yeah, we found some rocks over here, but we don't know if it's deep enough to jump in. I'm not gonna go up and see, but yeah, I don't know, Tessa. That might be too shallow. We can like
have to wait till summer's filled to go cliff jumping.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see the beach in the background, but
I can see the rocks from here.
So guys, we went down there, but it's just kind of icky, and the rocks are covered in algae, and it's like kind of gross. It feels like there's people like critters on us. So we're about to probably leave. I don't know.
Go get grub.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food. So see you there.
Crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall.